are you? Liam. Hi. What? What? Where'd you go? Yeah? Where's your drum? That's not a light. It's yellow. Where's Daddy? Where's your daddy? Wow. You're a good drummer. Yeah? Do you just want to show Dad your new ball? Show him your new ball. Go get it. No, that one, the new one. There's one too, yep. Wow. Ball. Where's the new one? Can you get your big ball? That's funny. You can't throw it outside. Yeah. Where'd you go? Oh! Oh no! Where's Liam? Where is he? I don't see him anywhere. You look like a caterpillar. You think that's funny? Whoa! You're a rough and tough little boy. Say bye-bye.